told you there's a certain makeup look that makes you look so youthful and elevates your look without much effort. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. I see so many new subscribers on my channel. So welcome to my channel. I've been a makeup artist for over 20 years and I'm almost 50 years old, but I know a thing or two about keeping yourself looking young, whether it's makeup or health or fitness. And today I'm going to be showing you a makeup look that makes you look super youthful with less effort and using just 5 products. But before we begin, I wanted to talk to you about something that I get asked often. Where I get my jewelry from. Just look at these beautiful pieces. All of my jewelry are timeless pieces that evolve with me, that I want to pass on to my daughter. These are from Idyl. They're fine jewelry designed and crafted with top 1% lab-grown diamonds. And I love their pieces so much so that I had my ears pierced just to wear these beautiful earrings and grow my collection with them. What I absolutely love about Idyl is that pieces are modular. So you can keep restyling them. You can keep them minimal for every day. You can layer them for travel or work, or keep them really bold for those night outs. I love that it feels like I'm building my own personal stack. Now take these earrings. I can wear the stud on its own for that simple everyday vibe, or I can add the drop with it to make it a little bit more glam. Now because I just got my ears pierced, I can't change that stud for a couple weeks, but once it's completely healed, I'm going to wear this beautiful stud with this beautiful drop, which is called Lucia. The same goes with the stunning necklace that I've been wearing every single day. The pendant is so versatile. I'm wearing it vertically right now, but you can also wear it horizontally. This big diamond stud is 0.2 carats and each of the diamonds in Lucia is 0.18 carats. And they're made with 14 karat gold. This stunning pendant that made me gag is called Lola. It is so beautiful, made with 0.5 carats, and the solid gold chain is 14 karat gold. And these are also available in white and rose gold. Idyl for me isn't just any jewelry. It's quiet luxury with intention. They feel personal, they feel powerful, and always have me stopped when I wear them because they make such a statement. And what I love is the story behind every piece. Each design starts in Antwerp, the diamond capital of the world, and goes through 8 skilled hands before it reaches us. It's heritage craftsmanship made fresh for today without the crazy markups. And here's the part that makes me love it even more. 90% of Idyl is female powered. With holidays coming up, these are exactly the kind of pieces that I'd gift myself or someone I love. You can play around with so many different styles on their website to see what fits your personal style. And I'm including links to everything that I'm wearing in the description box below and in pinned comments. I'm going to keep these on. They are so stunning and they look so much more beautiful in person rather than I'm just looking at myself in camera. It doesn't do justice. This is absolutely stunning. And I'm gonna wear this every day. And this one, I wanna wear it every day too. I don't know if it's gonna be too much, let me know. Definitely for special occasions, but I kind of like that stack for every day. What do you think? Let me know. Now on to the makeup. Before you do any kind of makeup, make sure you have that clean canvas, you've prepped your skin. And for me, usually prepping skin means I would have used a moisturizer and an SPF. You can also use a primer. Today I used Whip It from POV as my moisturizer. I absolutely love this product. It makes my skin feel really smooth and it gives that beautiful illumination that keeps my face lit even after I apply makeup. And then for SPF, I like to use something that sits well under makeup. So I use the One Skin Face SPF. And I'm going to link all of these in the description box below. For this makeup routine, your best friend is going to be concealer. Use a concealer that's a good match to your skin tone, so it should match up with your face color. And I love the Milani concealer in the shade 145, which is warm beige. What I like to do with this is use it in areas where I have those dark circles and dark spots, just a tad bit to make sure it covers all the right spots. So the plan is to spot correct. The idea here is to even out the skin without making it look cakey. And making the skin look even and natural without making it look cakey or overly done is one of the formulas for making yourself look more youthful, because it gives that very fresh, plump look and evened out look and looks very natural. With concealers, after applying, I like it to settle down on my skin for a couple minutes. So when it dries a little bit and when it's a little bit tacky and you blend it out, it gives you more coverage. And nice thing is you don't even need a brush to blend it out. You can use your fingers and quickly blend out everything so they blend into your skin. And make sure to focus very much on those edges because it has to flow beautifully into your skin. You don't want it to look patchy. And as you can see, because we let the concealer dry a little bit, it gives beautiful coverage. I'm going to add just a tad bit of concealer on my lids as well, just to even out the skin tone on my lids. And take your time to blend it out. It doesn't really need much of time or effort. It blends beautifully. And to my point about not leaving any edges visible and blending everything seamlessly, just take a dry sponge. You don't need a wet sponge, a dry sponge. And just press it all around your face because we don't have much product. You don't want to be using a damp sponge to go over your face because that can absorb a lot of the product. When you use a dry sponge, it blends everything seamlessly, but it'll absorb less product. Next, I'm going to be using one of my favorite products to use in makeup, a multi-purpose product. This is the Milk Makeup Cheek and Lip Tint. I believe this is in the shade Spritz, and I'm going to link it in the description box below along with the shade, so make sure to check that out. So why do I like this so much? First of all, look how pretty the product is. It's a jelly tint, so it's aesthetically obviously very pleasing, but that's not going to cut the deal. So what is it in this product that I absolutely love? One, you can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your lips, and you can use it as an eyeshadow. If you're going somewhere and you have just one product to touch up your makeup, this is going to be it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply it on my cheek. Wow, just look at that color. It's so pretty. And quickly blend it out. And because this is for every day, you don't need too much. All you need is a light tint. Look how pretty that flush looks. And I like to apply just a tad bit in the center of my nose as well, just like that. It gives a really nice sunburned kind of a look, and I absolutely love that look. I'm also going to be adding some color right in that corner of the eye, right there. And again, using my finger to quickly blend it out. And then finally on my lips, just a little bit more right on top. And that hint of color added so much more dimension to the look. The color on the cheek gives that very youthful glow, and the lip, it looks really soft and subtle without any harsh lines, and that overall gives that very natural look. I'm going to use a powder to lightly set only in areas where I tend to either sweat or I get oily and the makeup tends to separate, which is mostly in my T-zone. And for that, I'm going to be using something that's very finely sifted. This is from idyl. It's the Fade Into You powder. I'm just going to take it with a powder brush and I'm going to dab off the excess. We don't want too much powder. And then I'm going to start with around my nostrils, go around my mouth, a little bit on my forehead, right there, just to remove that shine. A little under my eye, nothing too much. And if you tend to cake up because of powder, you know the spots on your face where you tend to cake up. So just avoid those areas. That's it. We set it with powder to seal everything, but still maintain that youthful glow because we have not caked up our face with powder. We just apply a tad bit just to lock everything up. Another multi-purpose product that I absolutely love is a transparent mascara, and everybody should have one in their stash. This one is from the drugstore. It's the Diamond Mascara from Physicians Formula. With transparent mascaras, whether you buy a high-end or from the drugstore, they all work the same. So just invest in one from the drugstore. I'm going to quickly curl my lashes. And while applying mascara, I like to first apply it to the tips. So that'll help to elongate your lashes. And it doesn't weigh down on your lashes, so your lashes won't fall. And for the second coat, I will go all the way from the root to the tip, pushing it up. Nice thing about these transparent mascaras, they're usually thinner than the regular mascara. So they're not going to weigh down on your lashes and they don't fall. So they stay curled and they look very natural. It doesn't even look like I have mascara on. They look so natural. They don't look clumpy at all. I also like to use it in my lower lashes. I just like that doll eye look. I think that adds to making the overall look more youthful. But if you feel like it's uncomfortable, and a lot of people don't like to apply mascara to lower lashes because they feel like they might smudge, it's okay with transparent mascaras because even if you smudge, you can't see. But I know a lot of you shy away from applying mascara to your lower lashes. Try it because it does make a huge difference. And why did I call this mascara multi-purpose? Because we're also going to use it on our brows to groom them. So all I have to do is push it upward and outward, and that is going to keep my brows in place. I'm going to do it on this side as well. Now, because I have very thick brows, I don't even need a brow pencil. So technically I just used 4 products to complete this glam. So I used the concealer, I used a powder, I used the cheek and lip tint, and I also used the transparent mascara on my lashes and on my brows. Now, 5th product will come in handy if you have scanty brows or you want to shape it further. So for which I'm going to recommend a brow pencil. This is from Billion Dollar Beauty. It is a microfine tip brow pencil, so it's going to give you those natural strokes. And what I like to do is while filling in my brows and when I want that very natural look, I only look for sparse areas at the bottom of the brows, so I never fill on top. I try to keep it as natural as possible. So I just go in and fill in just those sparse areas, just like that. That's it. And there we have it. And that's why I say less is more. This is the kind of makeup that just enhances your natural features without making you look any different. It's just a better version of yourself. So there we have a really soft, natural, everyday glam using just 5 products. And best of all, you can put this together within 10 minutes. So now you have absolutely no reason why you can't put yourself together. The no time, no products, no experience, you can throw all that out the door because you don't need any of that for this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you part of my family. And don't forget to check out the description box for all the good stuff. You'll find links to my social media, links to all the products that I used today, as well as this beautiful set that I'm wearing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.